Hello everyone, welcome again, bienvenidos, vamos a esta semana número 2, inglés 5. Remember that the verbs have to be in English, so I'm going to try to explain it in English. First of all, because they are very simple, and second, because I want that you try to understand the explanations in this language, okay? But let's start with a little introduction in Spanish. Vamos a comenzar rápido con una introducción breve, para que no te espantes y después puedas entender un poquito mejor la explicación, ¿sale? Esta tarea, igual que la anterior, es muy sencilla. Simple y sencillamente estás aplicando conocimientos previos, ¿ok? Como tú puedes ver ahí son adjetivos y esos adjetivos los puedes utilizar para clima, para comida, para describir cualquier cosa. Más que nada, esta tarea te está pidiendo que tú, por favor, analices, busques y enriquezcas tu vocabulario para describir, en este caso, sobre todo en la tarea te marca comida, para que tú puedas describirla de una forma más natural y con mucho mejor vocabulario y puedas realmente decir, ¿sale? O expresar lo que tú quieres de cada alimento que te muestra ahí, ¿no? Aunque también nos habla de la tarea como tal, ¿no? De climas. Pero sabemos que los adjetivos son para describir cualquier ser, cualquier objeto, ¿sale? Entonces, solamente tengo ahí marcado, si te das cuenta, con amarillo, y más abajo con rojo, algunas situaciones que siempre debes de mencionar. Te las menciono rápido en español y luego las voy a repetir en inglés para que hagas esa comparación y veas que sí lo estás entendiendo. Allá en amarillo nos dice eat. Acuérdate que en inglés siempre vas a estar hablando del impersonal, es decir, siempre tiene que haber un sujeto. Nosotros en español decimos ¿cómo está el clima? Está bonito, está soleado. Ese está lo tienes que poner en inglés con el it, ¿ok? Y enfrente pues ya está el tiempo, ¿no? Puede ser pasado, presente, futuro, según tú. Pero siempre tienes que poner el it, ¿ok? No puedes decir was o is, nada más. Sunny, no, it is, ¿ok? Por eso el amarillo. Y bueno, ahí vienen varios ejemplos, ahorita te los voy relatando en inglés, solamente quiero puntualizar eso. Y recuerden ahí lo que está en rojo en la parte de abajo, que es lo principal que viene en tu tarea cuando estás hablando de comida. Acuérdate que puede ser singular, puede ser plural y puede ser cualquier tiempo. Esto tú ya lo debes de conocer, ya es un nivel intermedio, ¿sale? Entonces no debes de batallar en saber que is es para presente, que was es para pasado, ¿sale? Que son singular y plural. Ojo, cuando estás describiendo un adjetivo, ¿ok? No lo vas a pluralizar nunca. ¿Ok? Estamos hablando de la parte de abajo, donde está la comida, ¿sale? Si queremos decir que el pan está crujiente, ¿sale? No decimos está crujientes, aunque sean muchos, ¿sale? Lo mismo en español, ¿no? Ah, la comida está picosa. No decimos, la comida está picosas. ¿Ok? Es muy similar. Solamente ten cuidado con eso. Por eso, ¿sale? Aunque tú lo pongas en plural, siempre el adjetivo va a ir así como lo conoces. Hot, crunchy, bitter, stale. ¿Ok? ¿Sale? Entonces con eso, solamente sígueme en la descripción. Una descripción también cortita que te voy a hacer en inglés y luego los ejemplos de tu tarea. ¿Sale? Bien, entonces, let's start. So, as I told you, here we have an example, which is what kind of weather do you like? What happens if somebody asks you like this? What happens if somebody tell you, hey, mister, hey, lady, what kind of weather do you like? Okay, you can say, I like, okay? You can say, I like hot weather, okay? Or I like summer because it is hot or because it is sunny, okay? So just remember here that you can answer according with the tense, according with the question that the person is asking you. It could be present, it could be past, okay? It could be future. Let's see the second statement. What is the weather like in your country? Or in Mexico, it is nice. okay? Or you can say it depends, right? In spring, it's fresh. In summer, it's sunny. In fall, it's breezy. In winter, it is cold. Okay, don't remember always to use it. Or they can ask you in past, how was the weather like in your country? Okay, and you can answer it was. Okay, yes. Or other questions like how do you know or how do you think the weather is going to be tomorrow? So it's not sure. You can say it may hot. It may rain tomorrow. Okay? So remember, you can use all the tenses. Just don't forget the word it. What about the food? Okay, for the food, it's the same. You can use, or you have to use the word eat and then the auxiliary or the verb, okay, that you need. Let's see an example. How is the bread? The bread, it is crunchy. Okay, or sorry, the bread is crunchy or it is crunchy. Okay, how was the India food? It was hot. Okay, remember when you eat chili, it's hot, right? Good. So how do you like coffee? I like bitter coffee. Okay, how are carrots and nuts? They are stale. They are hard and make a loud noise when you eat them. Okay, so first and the most important thing here is that you have to understand, you have to study, you have to find, okay, etc. You have to know all that new vocabulary, okay? This vocabulary is for you. This vocabulary is because you have to find them. You have to go to internet, okay, or a dictionary and find what is oily, what is bitter, what is hot, etc. Then you are going to understand the statement. You have a good English level, so you have to understand what each statement is telling you. For example, number one, this is obviously from your homework. The bread is old. Okay, the bread is old. So, what happened when the bread is old? Okay, so the obvious here is don't eat it. It's too crunchy. Okay, too crunchy. Remember, too means a lot. Okay, so this is a lot. So that means that it's too crunchy. You cannot eat it. Okay, because it's like hard to eat. Then you have to continue, like here, and it says the India food was too for me. I felt like my mouth was on fire. Okay, here is the answer, right? You understand the statement? So, fire in your mouth is not sweet, it's not salty, it's not bitter. Okay, so the answer is hot. Okay, so you understand the statement, it was in past, okay, and it doesn't matter, we don't care, it is in past and present. So here we have to use the correct adjective, okay, and so on. You have to continue like that, yeah, understanding every statement. Yeah, number 3, coffee and beer have a oily, aceitoso? No. Stale? Duro? Of course not. Okay, so that's why you have to find, okay, what is the first? Bitter, amargo. I think it's this one because both of them are bitter. Ambos son amargos, right? So you have to understand. Tenemos que entenderlo para que podamos contestar. Okay? So what I told you about the plural, here we have an example about the plural. Carrots are nuts are Okay, so let me tell you, the answer here is stale. So it's plural. It's correct to say stales? No, never. Remember, we don't use plural for adjectives, okay? You have to put it exactly as it says. So, carrots and nuts are stale. It doesn't matter that we have plural. Just write exactly the same word, stale, and we finish. Okay? So guys, I hope you understand. This homework is very simple. Just don't forget that little rules, and you have to learn a lot of vocabulary in this homework. Please find them, use dictionary, and memorize them. Please. Thank you. Good day.